Hello people! In cooperation with United Restream and Dr. Kim Mortega from Museum of National History Berlin, we will produce an exclusive and astonishing stream connecting science, music and club culture.
I will guide you through a digital museums tour where you get the unique chance to explore hidden rooms and collections that are usually closed to the public.
For me, each of these rooms, each of these animal families sounds different. I have absorbed their spirits and expressed them in an exclusively composed live set.
Besides, we invite you to an exciting discussion to highlight the urgent need of preserving biodiversity and club culture.